guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me once again, Augustus, and today on this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make logos with ChatGPT. As you all know, ChatGPT is an OpenAI app which helps you to teaches you various things that you want to learn. First of all, go to the app and open it, and the search bar will come out and put what you want in for the logo. I would advise you to put exactly how you want the logo to be, because the ChatGPT has knows an AI app, so it won't really generate what you want. It cannot read your mind, so you tell it what you want and what you don't want it to want, what you don't want it to bring out for you. Tell it to give it exactly how you want it to be. But since you want to send for a tutorial video, I'm going to just tell it that give us the name Augustus on it, and it won't take time. It's going to load, and here's the image. You can easily download the image, yes, by clicking on the image, and then a small search will come out